keeping in contact with an ex.
If you are a man, that's a red flag. If it's me though, then it's not. Why? Because I know boundaries. I will have friends that from we stop talk, we've just been friends. You've met us as friends, everything cool.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
It
So
can-
wait, hold on there. So you alone understand the concept of boundaries, but nobody else can understand it. Is that what you're saying?
I just think
You just
a
think
lot of
what?
men love to succumb to their desires, and I feel like it
Wow,
shouldn't
a lot
ever
of
happen.
women like to succumb to their desires as well. Who can give bun more than a woman?
My thing is, why you want to X by your phone? It's called X for a reason. You X them out.
Suppose-
And even with me, my exes mostly, or exes, they're mostly in passing. I'm not just gonna hit them up randomly. This, that, this. Some of my exes married. Like, we're cool, we're chill. So it's always courteous, kind of walk past and say hi. So I feel like that should be the extent of it. And if that's the extent of it with them, sure. But I feel like messaging them a night, here, call them this, I talk about we with them, crazy work.
So that's a red flag.
Red flag.
Okay.
Wait, do you have a thought on this, Anthony?
Or I'm asking you the questions.
I'm sorry.
Don't try
curious.
don't try
I'm
put this
curious.
for me.